This is the Simmons Beautyrest Factory Select Plush. At a comfort scale rating of a 5, this is dead center of the line, or dead center of the comfort spectrum, which means that it's not going to be extremely firm, not extremely soft. Definitely developed to be more of like a people pleaser in terms of, giving you that good blend of body contouring, pressure relief, and deep down support. So the Factory Select cover is a way for the manufacturer to bring your costs down by giving us a great price on different types of quilts that they're trying to liquidate. We pass those savings on to you, which is why this mattress has a pretty good amount of specs for the money, making it a great value. Now let's get into some of the specs, which will not change at all outside of, again, that cover. You have a layer of gel touch foam, you have a layer of air feel foam, and a layer of air cool foam, all of which are high-grade polyurethane foams that are independently certified by CertiPure US to meet or exceed the highest quality standards used in bedding today. These comfort materials are of a medium density level, so they're going to, again, give you that kind of medium soft, not extremely firm type of feel. The layer of gel touch is really the premium layer here because it does use gel in addition to that high-quality polyurethane. So the result is a comfort padding layer that offers slightly better pressure relief and a more supportive overall feel because it's a little denser. Now, when you get into the back support system, again, this will not change because of the name Factory Select. It's just the quilt. The coil system is the tried and true Beautyrest pocketed coil system. This has been used forever and is a very high quality system. It uses individually wrapped coils that contour independently to the curves of your body to give you a very gentle yet very solid overall support. Its unique construction means that it's going to transfer less motion between partners when movement takes place. So if you're asleep on one side, movement takes place on the other, you're going to feel less for more undisturbed sleep. And it is adjustable base friendly, so if you're in the market for a base, it's going to work just fine. Last, you have the high quality edge support, which is a full foam encasement. It allows you to sleep all the way to the edge and not feel like you're going to roll off, especially important for couples who share a queen size or anybody who just simply likes to sleep towards the edge. Overall, in my opinion, this is a really good choice if you're looking for something that's going to be like a guest bedroom situation or any situation where you want to keep your cost low but still get a mattress that's going to perform well for the next 10 years. We hope you found this video helpful, but if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at 1-800-455-1052. Or you can leave us a message on this video. We'd love to hear from you. Or if you'd like, during normal business hours, you can speak with a member of our chat team.